United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 108, illicit traffic in narcotic drugs or psychotropic substances. 1. All states shall cooperate in the suppression of illicit traffic in narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances engaged in by ships on the high seas contrary to international conventions. 2. Any state which has reasonable grounds for believing that a ship flying its flag is engaged in illicit traffic in narcotic drugs or psychotropic substances may request the cooperation of other states to suppress such traffic.